My name is Rich Dest. I'm a dentist and I'm co-owner of Senior Dental Care of North Carolina, who we provide mobile dentistry to assisted living centers and nursing homes across the state of North Carolina. I enrolled in Rochelle's class after attending her one-day seminar and realizing that for me, I want to be a spokesperson for the seniors, the aging population, and especially their dental needs. Being a dentist, I was very good being one-on-one with people, talking to patients throughout my career, but this is a whole different mindset where you're going to be talking in front of an audience, and I had some reservations about that. But I knew I needed to have coaching and develop some skills to convey my message, which is very important. And I seeked out Rochelle, where she went to her seminars, and I feel very confident. Still have a little bit of work to do, but I feel very confident about doing this. What she did for me most was having me step outside the box. I just completed the 6-session course with Rochelle, and I feel very confident about pursuing my speaking career. I've already have one speaking engagement for the PACE Centers of North Carolina for next year's conference, talking about mobile dentistry and dental care for the aging population. Also, I've stepped out of the box by running for an office for this ADA, for the American Dental Association, being one of their at-large delegates. So this has become my passion, and Rochelle's having this to be I want to be the mouthpiece or the spokesperson for the aged population and dental care. And this has provided me a great opportunity to do that.